Triangle EFG is congruent to triangle JKL. What is the length of KL in units? All right, so remember when we have triangles and they are congruent, when we have our congruent statements, the order of the letters matters. So that the orders that the letters show up in EFG and JKL, those tell us the pairs of corresponding congruent angles and the pairs of corresponding congruent sides. So if we're trying to find the length of KL, if we look at KL, it's the middle letter and the last letter here in triangle JKL. So that means side KL is going to correspond to side FG in triangle EFG because FG is our middle letter and our last letter. We know in congruent triangles, corresponding sides are congruent. So now if we look at our picture, we know that FG is 6 units long. Because KL corresponds with FG, and these are congruent triangles, then we know that KL would also be 6 units long.